Today's Kids Academy. Hey, hey! Come and learn with T. Today's Kids is on singing.
Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Th's virtual classroom. Are you guys excited to be here? I'm excited to be here. Let's get started with this letter A lesson. This is the letter A. A makes the sound ah or A. This is an apple. Apple begins with the letter A. This is an uppercase letter A. A also looks like this, and it can look like this. Can you say A? A. Can I hear you make the sound letter A makes? Ah or A? Good job, friend. Letter A makes the sound ah, like apple. Ah, like alligator. Ah, like astronaut. Hi, Sam. Are you enjoying the letter A lesson? Are you learning? A makes the sound A like acorn. A says A like apron. First, we're going to make a big line down. Then a big line down the other side. And now we're going to cross it in the middle. Now let's write it. We're going to start at the top at the 1. We're going to come down that side, go back up to 1, go down the other side, down 2, and we're going to cross in the middle. Now let's work on the lowercase a. We're going to start at the 1. We're going to go around, start at 2, and come down. Try it. Start at the 1, go around, go up to the 2, and down. You guys did great with the letter A. Did you guys have fun learning about the letter A? We did the sounds, we wrote it, and now it's time to go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.